In this video, we are looking at the terms that go with Ohm's law or Ohm's wheel. And I'm on the bottom of page 12. I've gone ahead and added the first of the four terms. There are four of them. Power is going to go at the bottom of page 12. So you can go ahead and write that one in right after distribution. And then on page 13, we have three more. We have current, resistance, and voltage. And these are the components of Ohm's law. So we're going to be looking at the Ohm's wheel in today's lesson and learning how to use Ohm's wheel to solve some problems related to electricity. But you need to know these four components of Ohm's law. So I'm going to start with power. And I've been charging my pen, so hopefully it's going to have enough charge to get me through this. The definition of power. First of all, the symbol for power is a capital P. And power is defined as the rate of transfer of electrical energy within a circuit. Power is measured in watts. And the symbol for watts is W. Power is measured in watts. It is represented by the capital letter P. It's measured in watts. Units are watts. On page 13, we have the word current. And the symbol for current is I, capital I. Current is the rate at which charge, and I'm going to stop right there. Charge is charged electrons. A rate at which charge flows through a surface. Current is measured in amperes. And the symbol for amps is capital A. The rate at which charged electrons flow through a surface is current. The symbol for current is I, capital I, and the symbol for amperes is capital A. And then we have resistance is next. The symbol is capital R. Resistance is the tendency of an electrical component to resist the flow of electric current. Resistance is measured in ohms. And the symbol for ohms is the Greek letter omega. And it's hard for me to draw, but it's something like that. It is not a letter. It is a letter. It's a Greek letter, but it's a symbol for ohms. And finally, voltage. The symbol for voltage is the capital E. And voltage is defined as the pressure from a circuit's power source. That pushes, it's that pressure that pushes charged particles, charged electrons, let's say it that way, that's current, through a conducting loop. So voltage is pushing that charge through a conducting loop. And voltage is measured in volts. And the symbol is capital V. Volts, capital V, voltage, capital E. And you are going to get to know these four components very well. Power P, current I, resistance R, and voltage E. And I believe did I give you a chart? I maybe did not. Oh, I did. Back on page 4, if we go back to page 4, you will see this chart. It's right above your ohms wheel. Here is that table with those summarized. So watts is going to be capital W, volts, amps, and ohms, remember, is the Greek letter omega. And that is not at all what omega looks like. Let me try it one more time. It has it's more like that. That is the Greek letter omega, or omega, depending on which part of the world you're from. And that is the representation of ohms.